Hey moms, snoring isn't just about noise. It's about your body begging for oxygen. Every night you snore, your brain is fighting to breathe. That's why you wake up tired, irritable, and foggy. Have you heard of that mommy brain? That's what this is. Imagine someone covering your nose every few minutes while you sleep, and that is what is happening inside. If this sounds like you or your spouse, book an airway check with me.